Locked out of your Instagram? Don't panic. This video will walk you through the steps to attempt to reactivate your banned account. First, head to the Instagram Help Center. You can find it by searching Instagram Help Center on Google or by typing Help Instagram.com directly into your browser. Once on the Help Center page, locate the search bar. It usually says Search Topics or Questions. Type My account has been disabled into the search bar and press Enter or click the search icon. From the search results, click on the article titled My Instagram account has been disabled. Read the article carefully to understand why Instagram might have disabled your account. Then find the section that says if you think your account was disabled by mistake, look for a link to a form you can fill out to appeal the decision. The wording on the link may vary slightly. This appeal form usually requires you to provide your full name, Instagram username, the email address associated with your account, and your country. Fill out all the fields accurately. Some forms may include a text box where you can explain why you believe your account was disabled by mistake. Clearly and concisely explain your situation, emphasizing that you have adhered to Instagram's terms of service or explaining how you were hacked. Once you've filled out all the information, carefully review your submission, then click the Submit button. After submitting the appeal, be patient. Instagram will review your request, and it may take some time to get a response. Check the email address you provided regularly for updates. While waiting, take the time to familiarize yourself with Instagram's community guidelines and terms of use to avoid future violations. Good luck with your account recovery.